Today we're going to talk about how to create the butterfly chart in Tableau. So butterfly chart are basically the two different types of bar chart which looks like a butterfly. So for creating this chart, I'll be using the sample superstore dataset. So I'll take the subcategory and I'll drop it onto the row shelf. And then I'll take the sales and drop it here. Then after that I'll take the sales measure again and I'll drop it onto the column shelf. So as you can see, our two bar chart has been ready, which is having the two different axes. So I'll right click on the first axis of the bar chart, click on add axis, and then I'll click on reverse. So as you can see, our bar chart has been reversed. So after that, I will create the calculation field. I will name it as a zero line, and I will set the value 0. Apply, okay, and take this field and drop it in the between of these two fields. And after that, click here on the drop down and remove the show header, and I'll make it an entire view. So as you can see, the butterfly chart is almost ready. So what I'll just do, I'll click on the zero line on the marks card. I'll take the subcategory and I'll drop it onto the label. So as you can see, our labels are on the right side, but for make it in the, if we want to move these labels in the between, just click on automatic and click on select text. After clicking on text option, as you can see, the text values has been moved in between. And after that, so as you can see, our graph is not sorted. So I'll make it as a descending order. We just have to click on here. So now we can see our bar graph has been sorted. Now I'll take the sales field and I'll drop it onto the color shelf. And I'll click on color, edit color. We'll take the orange gold, apply. Okay. So as you can see, our butterfly chart is ready. So this is how we can create the butterfly chart in Tableau. Thank you.